My mother was a government employee and an entrepreneur at the same time. Bata pa kami, nasaksihan ko na ang malaking tulong sa pamilya namin ang pagiging isang entrepreneur niya. Nang dahil dito, pinangarap ko rin maging katulad niya. Naisip ko, hindi sapat ang sahod ng isang government employee, kaya kailangan din ang isang negosyo para matugunan lahat ng mga pangangailangan ng pamilya. I started my business online selling since 2016, but I formally registered it as Alpha's Variety Store last July 2020. If I'm not mistaken, 10,000 was my initial investment that time. As a government employee, I cannot give my full time on my business. It is just a part-time business. I cannot stay full-time physically on store. So, I decided online selling. I post my items or products online on Facebook at lunchtime and during night. I pick up the items on Saturday or Sunday and delivered it to the customers. Online selling is the most convenient business for me. There are some strategies I am making until now. First, as a government employee, inaalam ko kung kailan may matatanggap na benefits ang mga empleyado. At bago dumating ang araw na yon, nagpo-post na ako ng mga paninda ko sa Facebook and caption it, pang bonus, pang SRI, pang PBB, pang PEI at iba pang mga benefits. Siyempre, ang isang government employee na katulad ko mahilig sa utang. Pinapatulan niyan basta may inaasahan darating na benefits. Kaya may mga nabubudol naman ako. Second, I offer discount also to those who are loyal and repeat customers. Third, I also offer free raffle during special holidays para sa mga customers ko. Fourth, I also offer free gifts sa mga customer who meet a certain amount of purchase, like free incense pag na-meet ang free incense for a 500 pesos worth of purchase. Mga simpleng strategies ito, pero nakakatulong naman sa paglago ng aking business. Yun lang. Thank you and good evening.